we were invited for a dinner dito sa Greenbelt 3 at Las Flores. So, this is my team. Ayan. Others are waiting na for us inside. Table setup nila is so simple, but the price ng food is quite pricey. So, we choose something for sharing na lang. So, we have this potato and squid, all fried. And for soup naman, Ian and I share this cold tomato soup. Very nagko-complement siya sa mga other fried dishes like this gambas and this potato balls na di ko talaga alam ano naman. And syempre, like any other dinner, we took photos and awarding na hindi ko naman alam, kasama pala ako. Please don't be mad, pero nakalimutan ko na talaga kung ano to. Basta alam ko itong isa ay lamb with mashed potato. Sobrang natuwa talaga kami. At this moment, busog na talaga ako kasi ang bigat sa tiyan ng mga food nila. But go laban lang. Let's try everything. Especially, I ordered this paella negra. Grabe ang sarap. We also ordered din ng mushroom paella. Everything, nakaka-enjoy. Food is very delicious.